Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to level up your Facebook security by turning on two-factor authentication. With just a few clicks, you can add an extra layer of protection to your account. So if you're ready to keep the hackers at bay, let's dive right in. Open your Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines. Now tap on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Tap on Account Center, then scroll down and select Password and Security. Now tap on two-factor authentication and select your Facebook account. Enter your correct Facebook password and press the Continue button. Select the second option, it's the best and easiest choice. Now enter your phone number. You can also change your country from this. Once done, move on to the next step. Enter your confirmation code and move on to the next step. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now up and running, keeping your account extra secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one.